Hi, love. Welcome to day 5 of Rise of the Magnetic Woman. Before we begin, please pause and check in with yourself. Have you completed the practice from day 4? Did you ask your body what it's saying yes or no to? If not, I gently encourage you to go back first, because this isn't just about watching videos. It's about doing the work and becoming the woman who magnetizes from alignment. And as I keep reminding you, manifestation isn't about doing random rituals you don't feel in your body. It's about becoming the woman who trusts herself deeply, acts in alignment, and chooses from her truth over and over again. Today, I am not giving you any explanation, but we are going directly into the practice. The one I call the intuitive desire journaling. Today's practice is a fun one and one of my personal favorites. We are going to journal your desires, all of them, not just the safe ones, not the ones approved by society, but the wild, delicious, outrageous ones. Here's what I want you to do. Find a quiet spot, light a candle if you'd like. Create a section in your journal and call it Your Desire Pages. Next, place your hand on your heart and take 3 slow breaths. In one of the videos later, I will explain why we first breathe before doing any activity. Then you ask yourself, what do I want if no one was judging me? What would I ask for if I trusted it could come to me? I will be putting these questions below so that you can access them. Now write, big or small, illogical or impossible. It doesn't matter. I'll just give you a few of my desires. A solo trip to a Bali retreat. A 7-figure bank balance. More orgasms and less guilt. Being deeply seen, heard and held by my partner. Having a great relationship with my children. Nothing is off limits here. Let it feel playful, sacred, even a little naughty. This is your soul remembering what it wants to receive. So write without editing, no rules, no pressure, just let it flow. Once you are done with the day 5 practice, I want you to choose one of the 5 practices we have done so far and begin doing it every single day for the rest of this challenge. Choose the one that felt most powerful in your body. Choose the one that felt easiest to return to, or the one that whispered to you softly and didn't leave you. So I'll just recap all the 5 activities for you here. The first one, it could be your magnetic memory, a memory where you felt magnetic and you were able to manifest whatever your desire was. The second one, your desire check-in. So it was about a single desire that we were talking about on that day. The third activity was your intuitive message. What is your body telling you right now without using your mind? And of course, yesterday we visited the body's yes and no response. Or the 5th one, which is about today's practice, about keeping a desire page in your journal. You can keep adding to this desire page every day if this becomes your chosen daily ritual. Now, once you have chosen one of these 5 rituals, it becomes your core rituals. You can keep doing new ones with me daily, but this core ritual, you commit to it, You embody it and you live it. So, again, to recap, you now have 5 powerful practices, and today you are going to choose one to make part of your daily rituals. That is how we begin to reprogram your frequency. Not by doing everything, but by doing one thing well. So here's your invitation. Choose your ritual. Comment below with your chosen ritual or any insight that came through for you. Like this video if you found it helpful and share it with someone who needs this soft, grounded magic. Tomorrow we begin rebuilding something deeply sacred, your self-trust. Because the more you trust your energy, the faster your manifestations find you.